It's Frau Morrow. I can see our landing site.
Wow. Look at that Tsiolkovsky crater. I can't believe how bright the ejecta blanket is.
It's like snow. It's beautiful. It's Marienbream to the north.
Telemetry. It's good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Houston.
We're picking you up at a velocity of 7,062 feet per second at a distance from the moon of 56 nautical miles. Stand by for your PC+2 burn data.
Gotta tell you, I had an itch to take this baby down, though. Do some prospecting. Damn, we were close.
Gentlemen, what are your intentions? I'd like to go home. We got a burn coming up. We're gonna need a contingency if we lose comm with Houston. Frodo, let's get an idea where we stand on the consumables. Jack, get into the Odyssey and bag up all the water you can before it freezes in there. Let's go home.
Marius, we got some PC+2 burn data for you fellas.
So you're telling me you can only give our guys 45 hours? That brings them to about there. Gentlemen, that's not acceptable.
Gene, we gotta talk about power here. Whoa, guys! Power is everything. Power is everything.
What do you mean?
Without it, they don't talk to us, they don't correct their trajectory, they don't turn the heat shield around. We gotta turn everything off. Now. They're not gonna make it to reentry.
What do you mean, everything?
With everything on, the LEM draws 60 amps. At that rate, in 16 hours, the batteries are dead, not 45. And so's the crew. We gotta get them down to 12 amps.
How many? You can't run a vacuum cleaner on 12 amps, John.
We gotta turn off. We have to turn off the radars, cabin heater, instrument displays, the guidance computer, the whole smack.
Whoa, guidance computer. What if they need to do another burn? Gene, they won't even know which way they're pointed.
The more time we talk down here, the more juice they waste up there. I've been looking at the data for the past hour.
That's the deal?
That's the deal.
Okay, John. The minute we finish the burn, we'll power down the LEM.
All right.
Now, in the meantime, we're gonna have a frozen command module up there. In a couple days, we're gonna have to power it up using nothing but the reentry batteries.
Never been tried before. Hell, we've never even simulated it before, Gene.
Well, we're gonna have to figure it out. I want people in our simulators, working reentry scenarios. I want you guys to find every engineer who designed every switch, every circuit, every transistor, and every light bulb that's up there. Then I want you to talk to the guy in the assembly line who actually built the thing. Find out how to squeeze every amp out of both of these goddamn machines. I want this mark all the way back to Earth with time to spare. We never lost an American in space. We're sure as hell not gonna lose one on my watch. Failure is not an option. Ken? Ken?
What?
Good, you're not dead.
I'm trying to get in touch with you for 45 minutes. Jesus, John, what are you doing here?
Gotta get you in the simulators. We gotta ship to land.
What?
There's been an explosion. Oxygen tanks are gone, 2 fuel cells gone, command module shut down. What about the crew? Crew's fine so far, trying to keep them alive in the limb. We're gonna have to shut that down pretty soon, too. We got a lot of people working the numbers on this one, Ken. Nobody's too sure how much power we're gonna have when we hit reentry. The command module's gonna be frozen up pretty good by then.
We see the SAM meter rise over 20 at any point, power up is no good. We see it spikes, that's sayonara for the guidance computer. Our guys can't re-enter, okay?
How much power do we have to play with?
Barely enough to run this coffee pot for 9 hours. Go.
Yeah, Ken Mattingly just got here.
Copy. He's here.
They've been losing heat since the accident. They're gonna start getting a lot of water condensation on the control panels.
Ken, glad you're here. You know what's going on?
John's brought me up to speed. What do we have left in the batteries?
We don't really know.
We gotta get started on some shortcuts for power-up.
Yeah, you know how short?
Well, it's all in the sequencing, John. If we can skip whatever we don't absolutely need and turn things on in the right order, maybe...
I agree.
You start on a procedure?
Well, the engineers have tried, but, I mean, it's your ship. We gotta get you in there.
Okay. Frank, I need the sim cold and dark. Give me the exact same conditions that you got in there now, and I need present status of every instrument.
You got it.
I need a flashlight. That's not what they have up there. Don't give me anything they don't have on board.
Let's get this show on the road. Put them in space, fellas.
Okay, Houston, the quad heater circuit breakers are open.
Copy that.
One, we're using the forward omni when the Earth's in the window, and we're switching to aft omni when we see the moon.
We copy that, 13.
Aquarius, we don't want you to make any more waste dumps. The venting may push you off course.
Oh, Christ. What's up?
No more waste dumps. We're just gonna have to store it. Jack, gonna need some more urine bags.
Okay, Houston, that leaves us with just the computer, which I'm shutting down now. And that's it. We just put Sir Isaac Newton in the driver's seat.
Is it AM or PM?
AM. Very, very AM.
Case is running a temperature, and none of them has slept since the
Can't
explosion.
order these guys to go to sleep.
Did you sleep up there? Gonna get awful cold in there for those guys.
Gene, we have a situation brewing with the carbon dioxide.
We had a CO2 filter problem on the lunar module.
5 filters on the limb.
Which were meant for 2 guys for a day and a half. So I told the doc.
You're already up to 8 on the gauges. Anything over 15, and you get impaired judgment, blackouts, the beginnings of brain asphyxia.
What about the scrubbers on the command module?
They take square cartridges.
The ones on the limb are round.
Tell me this isn't a government operation.
This just isn't a contingency we've remotely looked at.
Those CO2 levels are going to be getting toxic.
Well, I suggest you gentlemen invent a way to put a square peg in a round hole. Rapidly.
Okay, people, listen up. People upstairs handed us this one, and we gotta come through. We gotta find a way to make this fit into the hole for this, using nothing but that. Let's get it organized.
Okay, let's build a filter.
Better get some coffee going, too, someone.